Let us solve NEET 2026 question today's paper. Question number 1, code 12. A 100-ton closely wound circular coil of 100 tons and radius is 5 centimeter. Magnetic field at the center is 3.14 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. Okay, at this point. Current flowing through the coil, they are asking you find the current and magnetic moment of the coil. So to find current, magnetic field is given. You can use the formula. Magnetic field is mu naught I upon 2r and magnetic moment formula is NAI, right? Okay, let's put the values. You can write 3.14 as pi. So pi into 10 raised to minus 3 equal to mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 I upon 2. Radius is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Pi and pi gets cancelled. 2 into 2 4, 10 raised to minus 2 and becomes plus 2. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So this becomes 10 raised to minus 5. So your 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, and there are a number of tons 100. So we will multiply this by 10 raised to 2 as well. So 10 raised to minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 gets cancelled with minus 3. So what is left is 1 is equal to 2i upon 5. So your I becomes 5 by 2, which is 2.5 ampere. But we have two options of 2.5 ampere. So let us find M also. M is equal to NAI. Number of tons is 100. Area is pi r square, 5 square into 10 raised to centimeter to meter you have to convert. So 10 raised to minus 4. Current is 2.5 or you can write 5 by 2. Okay, so what we have is 5 square into 5 is 25 is a 125 pi into upon 2 into 10 raised to what we have 2 minus 4. So plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and 125 into 3.14 upon 2. Half of 125 is 63 something into 6.3. So you can write 63 approximately into 3.14. So that will be, you can round off 60 into 3, 180. So somewhere around 200 you will get, and into 10 raised to minus 2 will give you 2, somewhere around 2 ampere meter square. So we have answer option 1. So this is 2 and this is 2.5. So option 1 is the correct answer.